Hello, so this is a very basic introduction to Pure Data. You'll find on your desktop or in the start menu an icon for PD Vanilla. You may also see PD Extended, but for now let's use PD Vanilla. Double click on PD Vanilla. It launches and go File New. And the first thing you want to do, because it says untitled, you need to save that file and you need to put that in your folder for your course. And this would be probably, if you're watching this for the first time, at University of Sheffield, mus119 Introduction to Studio. So I'm going to find my teaching folder, mus119. I will make a new folder called video examples, and I double click there, and I'm going to put this sort of example 1. It's always really important. The best practice within PD is not to double click on PD files. So if you found your file in the Finder, which was in teaching mus119 video examples, double clicking on here would launch another copy of PD, and that will tend towards disaster. So unfortunately, the best thing to do is to open your PD files always from within PD. This means you often have to go back again to your files and folders, but it's really important when you've got so many files and folders these days to keep things in order and to keep things simple so that you know where you've put things. PD starts with a blank page and you have to put various programming options onto that page. The most obvious examples are objects, messages and numbers. Objects are like little mini programs. A plus sign would be an object, a multiply, any mathematical symbol. So if we put an object box, this is going to contain a mini program, and the mini program I'm going to use is called print, which is going to do the obvious thing. It's going to print whatever I send to it in this screen here. Notice that the print sign has a little inlet at the top left here, and I'm going to put a message. So I'm going to send the print file or the print program a message. Hello, mus119. And I join the output of the message box to the input of the print box. So you hover over the output, click, left click and hold, drag to the input of the print box and join it up. In order to send this to here, I put what's called a bang. Now a bang means do it. So put a bang. Bang is a little box that you click on. Again, it has an input and output. I can make all of these larger for you. Font, let's go up a few sizes. But all of these things also, you click on something, you right click, you can check its properties. So I can change the size of that and I can change the color. So you can make an interesting user interface. So I hover over the output, join it up to the input here. And right now, with the mouse looking like a pointed finger, I can click on objects and I can move them. This is because I'm in edit mode. I now click on edit and go out of edit mode. Notice the shortcut. You really want to use this all the time. Control E. And now my mouse has changed to the normal mouse pointer. I can't move anything, but I can operate the patch now. I'll just do a quick save, because notice the little star here, example 1 PD star, means there are unsaved items, so I'll save it. It's saved it here. And now I click the bang and it says print hello mus119. Interestingly, with messages, you can just click on the message as well, but it's useful to figure out that bang sends a trigger to perform a function.